Hello, Anthony here. Today I'll be showing you around my virtual reality world I've been creating on and off for the past couple of weeks. During the semester, as part of my independent study, I've been diving into the technical aspects of working within a 3D environment for the purpose of motion graphics. As a side project, I've been applying those techniques to create this interactable world. While still in the early stages of development, this project has shown me how emerging technologies like virtual reality can possibly be utilized for showing or demonstrating things that would otherwise be difficult or costly in reality. This project has challenged me to consider what exactly makes a space feel immersive, taking into consideration scale, how light interacts with the environment, and utilizing bump maps to create more believable textures. On an even more technical level, I had to understand what goes into optimizing a world that lives in real time, as to not overload the system that it's running off of. Overall, this project has become a great way for me to demonstrate a lot of the different skills I've been developing over the years, as well as being a really interesting method for displaying some of the work I've been doing here at Kean. Experimenting with new ways to create has always been an interest of mine, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Take care and Happy New Year.